Welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies' waist designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet ladies' waist designs is a handmade garment created using different crochet spaces and patterns to make a sleeveless top or outerwear bit. It is a versatile fashion item that can be worn over dresses, skirts, or blouses to add style, layering, and warmth. Key features of crochet ladies' waist designs: sleeveless, typically designed without sleeves, making it lightweight and easy to layer. Open or closed front. Some waists are open front, like a cardigan without sleeves, while others may have buttons, ties, or a zipper. Variety of patterns can feature lacework, granny squares, shells, cables, or textured stitches for unique looks. Lengths designed that range from cropped waist-length vest to hip or longline styles. Fibers and seasons. Cotton yarn is perfect for summer vest with lacy designs, while wool or acrylic makes warmer, cozy vest for cooler weather. Styling. A crochet waist adds a boho, vintage chic, or modern touch, depending on the stitch pattern and yarn choice. Crochet waists are popular because they are timeless, handmade, and highly customizable. You can make them colorful, neutral, simple, or detailed without motifs and fringes. Here are some extra tips for crochet ladies' waist designs to make your projects more stylish, functional, and unique. Design tips: mix stitch patterns, combine simple stitches like double crochet with open lace stitches to balance texture and breathability. Play with necklines, tie V-neck, round neck, or even asymmetrical necklines for modern flair. Add borders. A delicate shell, picot, or scalloped border can give the waist a polished, feminine finish. Incorporate motifs. Use granny scarves, floral motifs, or geometric shapes for a creative touch. Experiment with lengths. Crop tops, waist length, or hip length vest can all look chic depending on the outfit. Yarn and color tips. Lightweight cotton for summer, perfect for airy, breathable vest. Neutral tones for versatility. Beige, cream, or black can be paired with almost anything. Bold colors for statement pieces. Bright hues or multicolored yarns make the vest the star of your outfits. Chunky yarn for winter creates cozy, warm vest with more structure. Styling tips. Layer over dresses. A lacy vest looks beautiful over a simple dress. Or with jeans or tops, a casual yet stylish everyday outfit. Boho look. Add fringes, tassels, or wooden buttons. Vintage vibes. Use muted pastel yarns and floral motifs for a retro look. Modern minimalist. Stick to clean lines, neutral shades, and simple stitches. Here are even more detailed tips for crochet ladies' waist designs to take your creations to the next level. Creative design elements. Add a hood. A small crochet hood can turn a simple vest into a chic layering page. Include pockets, functional and stylish. Trapeze pockets or hidden side pockets. Button and tie options. Use wooden, pearl, or handmade crochet buttons, or add tie closures with tassels. Fringes and edging, long fingers, lace trims, or even beaded edged give personality to the vest. Asymmetrical hemlines, high-low or diagonal hems create a trendy modern look. Mixed textures, alternate solid crochet pieces with mesh or lace panels for balance. Yarn and material ideas, metallic or shiny yarn, great for party or evening wear vest. Eco-friendly yarn, bamboo or recycled cotton makes sustainable and soft designs. Color blocking, use 2 or 3 contrasting colors for a bold effect. Gradient or ombre yarn adds natural flow of color without changing sequence. Fashion and styling tips, layer over turtlenecks, perfect for colder weather while still looking stylish. Pair with skirts, cropped vests look beautiful over mixy skirts. Office look, neutral tone vest over a collared shirt for a professional yet feminine touch. Festival or boho styles, long vest with rings, paired with wide brim hats and boots. Beachwear, lacy crochet vest as cover-ups over swimsuits. Personal touch, custom fit, adjust shaping around the bust and vest for a tailored look. Appliques, add small crochet flowers, butterflies, or leaf motifs for decoration. Embroidery on crochet, hand stitch floral patterns over plain stitches. Mix fabric plus crochet, combine crochet with fabric panels for a hybrid style. Seasonal versions, make airy cotton versions for summer and chunky wool versions for winter. Advanced designs and shipping, shipping with increases or decreases, and gentle shipping at the waist or bust for a filtering, fitted look. Open back vest, create laced up or crisscross tie backs for a stylish twist. Peplum hem, add a flat bottom section for an elegant feminine design. Side slits, long vest with side opening, give extra movement and comfort. Mandarin or collar neckline, add a crochet collar for a unique detail. Detailing and embellishments, beads and sequins, for teeny beads into stitches for sparkle. Crochet lace panels, mix in fillet crochet or pineapple lace for delicate touch. Textured stitches, use puff, popcorn or bubble stitches for a 3D effect. Embroidery accents, hand stitch flower or Venus on top of the vest for an artisan look. Color play, striped patterns, wide or narrow stripes for a bold statement. Patchwork style, join different colored motifs together, two-tone contrast, dark outline with light body, or vice versa for structure. Seasonal palettes, pastels for spring, earthy tones for autumn, jewel tones for winter. Accent edged, add a different yarn color just for the border to make it pop. Styling ideas, bohemian layering, pair with mixed dresses, white pants, or flowy skirts. Denim pairing, a cropped vest of a denim shorts or jeans, look timeless. Office chic or a simple, solid colored vest over a crisp white blouse. Streetwear style oversized chunky vest with sneakers or joggers. Evening wear, lacy vest in black or metallic yarn over a slip dress. Practical tips, make it reversible. Design stitches so the vest looks good on both sides. Try modular construction built in from squares, stripes, or motifs for easy customization. Add belt loops or each with a slim belt for a more fitted silhouette. Experiment with closures, thread zippers, laces, or even crochet frocks instead of buttons. Size adjustability and ties at the sides so the waist can fit multiple body shapes. Construction and technique. Seamless crochet. Work the waist in on page, top down or bottom up to avoid bulky shapes. Raglan style. Start from the neckline and increases outward for a fitted shoulder shape. Motif joint techniques. Thread join as you go for a smooth finish instead of swing squares. Mix open work and solid panels. Balance airy lace with solid stitches for structure. Thread Tunisian crochet. It creates a knit-like look, perfect for modern vest. Extra design features. Detachable elements, crochet removable collars or hoods to switch up the style. Comfortable vest. Create wide armholes so it can also be worn as a sleeveless strap. Asymmetry. Diagonal patterns or uneven hemlines make the design stand out. Layered panels and overlapping front flaps for texture and style. Crochet belts. Match the waist with a handmade belt to define the waist. Fashion styling. Casual everything. A neutral vest over legging and a long tee. Romantic look. White lace vest over a floral dress. Layer over jacket or a chunky vest over a denim or leather jacket for depth. Festival styles. Add long rings, tassels, and bright colors. Evening gown. Use black lace crochet with beaded east. Finishing and practical touches. Reinforced east. Add single crochet borders to prevent stressing. Adjustable straps. Use ties or button straps for versatility. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!